Good morning, everyone. Myself Hemant. My seminar topic is fluxional isomerism in allyl complexes and cyclopentadienyl complexes. Submitted to the Department of PG Studies in Chemistry, Government Science College, Hassan, under the supervision of Dr. K. Raschandra Sir, Associate Professor, Department of PG Studies in Chemistry, Government Science College, Hassan. Fluxional isomerism of eta-3 allyl and eta-5 cyclopentadienyl complex. Isomerism. Two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms in the molecule. Next, rigidity. The particles of a substance are fixed in their position. The particles of a substance are fixed in their position. Next, stereochemically rigid. For most of the molecule, one stereochemical arrangement is much more stable than other. This molecule exists in a single most stable and well-defined nuclear configuration. The atoms exhibit approximately harmonic oscillation about their equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means unchanged in the system. This structure may be considered rigid. Such molecules are called stereochemically rigid. In stereochemically rigid, the energy gap of HOMO-LUMO is large. HOMO means highest occupied molecular orbital. LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. It is non-resonance. Next, stereochemically non-rigidity. When the molecule exists in two structures of comparable stability, they are called stereochemically non-rigidity. It is resonance. The energy gap of HOMO-LUMO is small. This is stereochemically rigidity and stereochemically non-rigidity. Tautomerization or isomerization. Two or more nuclear configurations are not chemically equivalent, and the process of interconversion is called tautomerization or isomerization. Tautomers means interconversion of different structure because of migration of hydrogen atom of one polyvalent atom to another polyvalent atom, and it leads to dynamic equilibrium is known as tautomers, and the phenomenon is known as tautomerism. Example, keto-eno tautomerization of acetal-acetone. Acetal CH3 C double bond O, acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. The UPC name of acetal-acetone is pentane 2,4-dione. Pentane 2,4-dione. In keto form, we have to remove the one hydrogen atom and put on acetal group. In enol form, we have oxygen-hydrogen bonding, double bond and hydrogen bonding, migration of hydrogen atom. The two different structure of same molecular formula. Different structure of same molecular formula. It is due to the oscillation of monovalent hydrogen atom between polyvalent atom. Next, fluxional molecules. When two or more nuclear configurations are chemically equivalent, this type of stereochemically non-rigid are called fluxionality, and the molecules are called fluxional molecules. Fluxional molecules are the molecules which undergo dynamics such that some or all of their atoms interchange between symmetry equivalent position. It is stereochemically non-rigid. When these configurations are equivalent or identical, the molecule is fluxional. Example, nickel pentacyanide 3-. Nickel pentacyanide 3- exists in square pyramidal and distorted trigonobipyramidal geometries even in the same crystal. Thus, nickel pentacyanide 3- is fractional complexation ion. Only slight shift in the direction of arrows convert square pyramidal to trigonobipyramidal geometry. Another example, iron pentacarbonyl FeCO5. It can be seen in carbon-13 NMR spectrum. The first stage it is trigonobipyramidal, intermediate stage is square pyramidal, and the new form is trigonobipyramidal. The position of carbonyl group of 1, 2, 3 are equatorial, but here the position of carbonyl group of 1 and 2 are axial. Here 4 and 5 are axial. Here 4 and 5 are equatorial. Therefore, there is an interchange of the carbonyl group between axial and equatorial position. This is called fluxionality. Fluxionality in cyclopentadienyl complex. Fluxionality is the characteristic feature of organometallic compound containing cyclic porphyrins such as cyclopentadienyl. For example, eta-1 cyclopentadienyl metal should have three environments of hydrogen atom in the stereochemistry rigid form. Metal atom is attached to one of the carbon atom, therefore it is eta-1 cyclopentadienyl metal. Structure of eta-1 cyclopentadienyl complex. It should exhibit 3 signal in its hydrogen NMR spectrum in the ratio of 2:2:1 as follows. 2 HA quadrat don't field. Therefore, we have n plus 1 rule. In proton NMR, we have the n plus 1 rule. Therefore, this rule to predict the splitting of proton signal, this is considered by nearby hydrogen nuclei. Therefore, n is equal to number of proton in the nearby nuclei. 0 hydrogen atom as neighbor, n plus 1 singlet. 1 hydrogen atom as neighbor, n plus 1 2 doublet. 2 hydrogen atom as neighbor, 3 triplet. But it is not true in actual practice. At a room temperature, nearly all the compound containing eta-1 cyclopentadiene metal exhibit only one sharp singlet in the proton and the carbon-13 NMR spectrum of the entire C5H5 ring. The hydrogen atom becomes time average equivalent and the all carbon atom also became time average equivalent and they give rise to singlet signal. This is and 1-2 shift and 1-3 shift. The crystal structure of titanium eta-1 C5H5 twice 2 and eta-5 C5H5 twice 2 exhibit the presence of 2 monohepto and 2 pentahepto cyclopentadienyl ring. At 60 degrees Celsius, the proton NMR spectrum of the organometallic compound exhibit only one single signal. This is due to dynamic process in which monohepto and pentahepto ring interchange their rules rapidly. In the figure, the interchange of rules of eta-1 cyclopentadienyl and eta-5 cyclopentadienyl rings and change in point of attachment of eta-1 cyclopentadienyl ring to the titanium atom. In this molecule, the titanium is attached to 4 cyclopentadienyl ring. 2 rings are attached to pi bond. It means 5 electron or 5 atom. And while 2 rings are attached to sigma bond, it means titanium is attached to 1 carbon atom of the ring. Now they are appearing 2 types of fractional behavior. The molecule should show 2 different fractional behavior. One behavior is that there is a rapid interchange between the position of 1 and 3. These 2 types of ring. The ring 1 and 2 are pi bonded and 3 and 4 are sigma bonded. But here 1 is pentahepto and 3 is pentahepto. But 2 and 4 are sigma bonded or monohepto. And another type of fractional behavior that can be seen that the 4 number of ring is attached to 1 carbon atom can exchange their position of carbon atom. Sometimes the carbon atom its position will changes. So this position of atom may also same. So it shows 2 fractional behavior. At higher temperature, all 20 proton gives one signal because there is a rapid interchange of their position. At low temperature of minus 30 degrees Celsius, there is a motion of this molecule slow down. So we get 2 different peaks. 60 degree, the proton NMR spectrum of the organometallic compound exhibit only one single signal. This is known as fractionality of eta-5 cyclopentadienyl complex. Fractionality in eta-3 alloy complexes. The eta-3 alloy complexes generally exhibit fractionality at room temperature or slightly above it. The fractionality of eta-3 alloy complexes has been studied extensively by hydrogen NMR spectroscopy. The eta-3 alloy group has 3 types of hydrogen atoms as shown in the figure. The structure of eta-3 alloy complexes It is different environment of hydrogen atom in the coordinated of eta 3 allyl group. It has three types of hydrogen atom. First one 1HC. It is present on the central carbon atom, that is C2. Next 2Hs. These are syn hydrogen atom are present on terminal carbon atom C1 and C3. These are towards the metal atom. Next 2He. These are anti-hydrogen atom are present on terminal carbon atom. These are away from the metal atom. Syn hydrogen atom means when two atoms are added to the same set, that is syn. Anti-hydrogen atom means when two atoms are added to the opposite set, that is anti-hydrogen atom. The coordinated of eta 3 allyl group exhibits three signal in the proton NMR spectrum at very low temperature. The NMR signal due to the Ha and Hs atoms split up into doublet due to spin-spin interaction with Hc. It is called static NMR spectrum. Next, interchange of position of syn and anti-hydrogen atom of eta 3 allyl group. The syn and anti-hydrogen atom interchange their position rapidly with a short-lived of eta 3 allyl metal. The rate of this interchange is faster than the NMR time scale. The NMR spectrum became unable to distinguish between syn and anti-hydrogen atom, and all the four hydrogen atoms present on the terminal carbon atom, that is C1 and C3. It gives rise to a single NMR signal. Next, in this figure, interchange of position of syn and anti-hydrogen atom of eta 3 allyl group, eta 3 to eta 1, eta 1 to eta 3 process. The coordinated of eta 3 allyl group is transferred into a short-lived of eta 1 allyl species, which undergoes rotation about carbon-carbon single bond, producing a rearranged of eta 1 allyl species. Then the rearranged of eta 1 allyl species transferred into a eta 3 allyl group. Then the result of eta 3 to eta 1, eta 1 to eta 3 process is that anti-hydrogen atom A becomes syn hydrogen atom and the syn hydrogen atom B becomes anti-hydrogen atom. This process is repeated, and then all the syn and anti-hydrogen atoms interchange their position rapidly, and they become indistinguishable by NMR spectrum. This is fluxionality of eta 3 allyl complexes. Reference Argyrometallic compound by Indrajit Kumar and Saudi. Thank you, one and all.